In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share files in Microsoft Teams. If you need to send a document, image, spreadsheet, or other file to someone in Teams, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to upload a file from your computer or attach a file that's already stored in the cloud so you can share it in the right conversation quickly and clearly. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the channel or chat where you want to share the file. This part matters because the file will be posted directly into that conversation, so take a moment to make sure you are in the correct place before you continue. If you're working with a group, choose the appropriate team channel. If you're sending something to one person or a smaller group, open the chat where the file should be shared. Once you're in the right chat or channel, look for the paperclip icon near the message box. This is the attachment button, and it's what you'll use to start adding your file. Click the paperclip icon to open the file sharing options. At this point, Teams will usually give you a couple of choices. You can select Attach Cloud Files if the file is already saved in a connected cloud location, or you can choose Upload from this device if the file is stored locally on your computer. This is useful because it gives you flexibility depending on where your file currently lives. If you've already saved something in cloud storage, attaching it can make collaboration easier. If the file is only on your device, uploading it directly is the faster option. After choosing the option that fits your situation, browse to the file you want to share. Select the file, then click Open. Teams will then attach the file to your message area so it's ready to be sent in that conversation. As a quick tip, before you send anything, it's always a good idea to double check that you selected the correct version of the file. This can help prevent confusion, especially if you have multiple drafts with similar names. Also, make sure you're sharing it in the correct chat or channel, since everyone in that conversation may be able to access it. And that's it. That's how to upload and share files in Microsoft Teams. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a fast and easy part of your daily workflow.